How to see your Temu order status. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Temu, or you can simply head over to any of the website and move into the official website of Temu. Once you are in this page, make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once logged in, it will land you on this page. Now click on your profile at the top right, and then simply head over to your orders. Click on this cross icon. In here, you'll be able to see tons of different options: processing, shipped, delivered, and also returns. Well, if your order is in process, it will be available in the processing page. And if it is shipped, then it will be available in here. And if it has been delivered, then your order will be available in this page. And even if you have returned any of the order, then it will be available to you in this page. This way, you will be able to track your order or see your status of your order. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.